guys, so this is just a video overview to sort of explain the project. Okay, so I just created this document which I'm going to share with everybody, the WebTech project here. This is the logo for the project. I talked to Dean there about this site here. The First Sight Design's got a really nice theme and concept, so I'm thinking we're just going to clone it onto the webtechstudios.com site. Actually, what it's going to go onto actually is the webdevelopment1.com for now. And to access that, you're going to go into the web. You're going to go into GoDaddy. Okay, so if you don't know how to access the GoDaddy, you're just going to go to GoDaddy, and to get into the GoDaddy, my username is Viral Web Engines, and the password is godisgood7! Okay, so you're going to sign in. Okay, visit my account. So just to be clear, if you don't know, which I'm just going to put it right here, GoDaddy. Okay, GoDaddy.com, and then the user is Viral Web Engines. And the pass is God is good. And that's where the site is. If you want to go directly to the site, okay, without going through GoDaddy, through the min, let's go wp-admin, which actually what I'll do is I'm going to log into here, and that's the other server. Okay, so it's right down here. Okay, that's this is the Installatron, which is in GoDaddy. To get it, you just go to Applications, which is in the cPanel. Okay, let's go. God is good 7. I will put this in the document here. Okay. Okay, and to get into this is WebTech username, and pass is God is good 7. Okay, and that's how you get right into the site, and that's how to get into the GoDaddy cPanel. Okay, so what you do is you just go down to where it says web hosting, not manage WordPress, web hosting. You click manage, and then you're just going to go down to here, click manage, and this is how you get into the cPanel. Okay, for that site, there's a few ways you can connect with the site. You can go into through the FTP, right, through FTP accounts, and you just connect it. You just, for the host, you put the site itself, and then it's got the username and password names in there. Okay, or you can go through File Manager. You can upload files there, or the way that I normally do it is through Applications, and you can just click the applications. You click My Applications, and you're going to see that it's listed here. Okay, and the sites we're going to be paying attention to is the Web Development Company #1, which I'm going to be using webtechstudios.com, which is on our other server, but the other server is not. It's just a new server, and we're just getting it set up, and there seems to be some kind of problems, so we'll clone it to there after. And also, what I can do is I can mask the domain anyways, right? So we'll put it on this site. We'll develop it on this site, and I'll just mask it. And then for our actual blog site, this is the one that you can use here. Okay. Of course, we can have a blog right off of this site as well, but we also have a dedicated blog for internet marketing. That's this one here. Okay, and that's how you get in there. Okay, so if I'm going to continue to go over this for the WebTech Studios, you can read this and explain. It sort of tells you an overview of the goal. Right, we're going to create about 50 to 100 keywords for the site, create automated content and social sharing. So I have tools for that, right? So for example, this Socialcaster can automate posts. It can also automate content, and you can use this to set it all up. Okay, if you go into my JVZoo, I got awesome tools for this. Okay, so the tools you want to pay attention to is for the fan page for machine, so you can connect with the fan page program, the fan page machine, and the Socialcaster. Okay, Socialcaster is good for the blog and for automating a post. Okay. The FB notifications button, this is a big part of what I want to use. I want people to connect with their Facebook. I know a lot of people try and capture emails. I want to capture people's Facebook, okay, and make it so they can connect with people's, so we can send out Facebook notifications daily. So this is definitely a tool we're going to be using. Another great tool is this ICC Express. Okay, that's a good one. Okay, which I've given you access, if you'll see here, to all the ICC Express and the other tools related. They're all down here. Okay, so here's the list of tools. This ICC Express is basically the combination of the viral video content creator or curator, viral image, and the instant content curator. I think for the program, let's not use the ICC Express and let's use the separate ones, okay, for image, video, and instant content, and then also this Silo Factory for SEO, and Google Alerts plugin. This is what we want to use to set it all up, okay, and then I put a list of other tools we want to use, like this hello bar, or I should say fire bar that pops up on the site and have it redirect to any page you want. You want to do that, okay? And then these tools here are all tools that I have in the White Label Millionaire, okay? So I'll put the link here for this, okay, so that you can access this. Okay, and then the username is just sean.m.vibert@gmail, and then it's godisgood7. If it's not for some reason, it's this one. Okay, passion is me. Okay, I think it's this one though. Okay, and that's how you get access to that into there. And let's just test that. Okay, so I'll just put this in here just to make sure. And then you can just access here the PLR products. So all the products are right here. Any of them you want to access and use for the site, okay? And we want to use these because we own 100% rights to them. So it's good if we use our own products. And we're going to have to list them on our site for sale for people. And you'll see on my own personal blog, you'll be able to see where we made the sales pages for them. Which I'll put the link here for my personal blog, so you can have a look here, and that's within GoDaddy, so you can check that out. Okay, so it was this one. Okay, so we can use any of those tools for a combination for lead generation. There's SEO tools and stuff, and basically it's all these tools here. Okay, until you get down to here. And I'm doing a video right now. A Crackit plugin, okay, this here is for here, okay. So basically what I can do here is I can search any products I want, okay, through here, and I can use them. And the list of all these products is right here. You can go to Crackit .info and you can see all the products. We have the ability to use any of these products. Maybe you'll know some of them, maybe you're not, but we have the access to use all these products, okay, here. So just go down this list, and when you see a product that you want to use, just type it in the search engine right here, into the search engine, whatever product you want, and then you'll be able to download it. And how you do it is you just you right click and put download as zip, okay, and that's how you download it to access them for any of those products, okay. And we're obviously not going to use all of them, but there's a lot that are great ones, and I actually went through. There's over about 900 products there, and I only listed about 50 here. Okay, of products that I think were the best ones of the bunch. Okay, so we got SEO tools, we have fan page tools, we have video marketing tools that we can use. Video is something I definitely want to be using in the program. Okay. I displayed down here, okay, sort of how the money part works for everybody, okay. These are the positions, okay, there's a lot of us that will do multiple different positions, okay, and we're going to be marketing on multiple different projects. So you would get, we're not going to have the same people in the same project doing the same thing, of course, right? So don't worry about that, but I just wanted to list everybody the different areas that people would be working on. That would, and all these areas are going to be listed on WebTech Studios site, so that we're going to have all our services available for people. So we're going to make money multiple different ways. We'll make money off our services, off our products, off our affiliate program for referring our services, each one of the sites that get ranks in the search engines, and also for doing the work itself, referring people, like I said, and also for being like a team leader or project manager. Okay, so there's multiple ways that you can earn income through this program. I set it up so it's fair for everybody. Okay, the membership site, this Digital Access Pass, you'll be able to access that by downloading it out of this Crackit file. Okay, and that's for the membership site. And we're going to have all our products listed in the membership site as well as on the main site. The cool thing is in the membership site, we're going to have, say, a select amount of them that people will be able to access for a discounted rate rather than buying them all individually. Say if 10 products were $100 each, instead of having to pay $100 each and paying out $1,000, maybe they can get access to all 10 products for, say, $100 a month type thing. And I'm just using numbers that are not exact numbers, okay, just to give you an idea. We're going to have a set structure that we're going to build, okay, and I'll explain that in detail later, but let's get the site built and the system built. Okay, so we have a membership site, we're going to have a web store, okay, I have web store templates, you're going to get access to, I have ThemeForest, okay, ThemeForest, I have, actually I would, we want to become an affiliate of ThemeForest and have all their themes and their products and stuff actually linked from our site, so if people go here, they want to buy stuff, we're actually going to earn a commission, okay, but you can log into here, okay, I have a bunch of downloads, so if you actually go to the downloads here, which actually I'll put this here as well. Okay, so you can access this, the web, the ThemeForest, okay, and the username for that is C2S Network. Okay, pass is, I think it's got as good 7 or as passion as me. I'm just gonna put both here because sometimes I use the other one. Okay. Okay, so now you can get in there and you download any of them. I think I listed, so this is like a store theme here, So right off of the main site, I would like to have a link that says like store, and then when they click the store, it will have one of these other themes to use for that format, okay? And then it's the affiliate card for being the affiliate of the site. And you can use any of these plugins. This WordPress automatic plugin is definitely one we want to use, right? Maybe that pricing tables. I think that for the WebTech Studio, we should have hosting and stuff available. I do have a dedicated server, which you're going to see here. The problem is they didn't set it up right yet. If you are able to actually have a look at the server and figure out why it's not working right, but I'm going to use the GoDaddy one for now, but we do have a dedicated server with multiple different cPanels that we are going to be using for this project, and we'll be able to offer hosting and domains for people. So if you go here, you can have a look. These are the keywords we're going to use for the site. Okay, to get an idea of all the different keywords. Okay, and these are all a bunch of the tools, of course, that I'm recommending. Okay, this is how you get into that software. That's the keyword or the passwords, and this should get you a good start, okay, on understanding the whole project, what we're doing here. And we're basically going to create a main site, okay, a sales funnel. We're going to create a blog. We're going to create a landing page, squeeze page, and pretty much a whole funnel system, so that it markets our system, and we're going to offer all those services as well. So say if somebody wants a store, if they want a blog, they want a sales page, they want maybe they want a development site made, we're going to offer all those services for people, and you guys are going to have all the opportunity to make money off each one of them. Okay. All your services will be displayed on WebTech Studios, what you personally do. So if people order personally from you, you will get paid more. Okay, of course, you're not going to have to share your as much of the profits with everybody, but we also are going to have profit sharing as well, where everybody's going to make off of everybody. Okay, so I explained the details of that down here, so if you want to see how that works, but I just want to give you an oversight of how this all is going to work, and let's get started on this. Okay, if you want more details of how this actually is going to go, okay, like I put it here, A, B, C. So we want a squeeze page with the FB notifications, with video. Then we want the sales page, membership site, web store, fan page, and then of course the main website. Okay, and I'm going to leave it at that.